we did one very similar to this yesterday in the notes. And when we tried a problem yesterday where we were trying to see if two adjacent values were equal to each other, we noted that potentially you were going to go out of bounds. So if we just wrote like the same loop that we had written for all these so far, we might go out of bounds depending how we write the body of our loop. So in this problem, instead of the two numbers equaling each other, we want to find numbers next to each other that both equal 2. So if num's I is a 2, I could either look to the left or to the right of num's I to look for another 2. So let's say I look to the left. Well, that means that on the first pass of the loop, if I start at index 0, which is the first index of any array, I'm going to look too far to the left to index -1 and go out of bounds. So I'd have to let this loop start at index 1 to avoid that. And then that would safely let me look back to index 0. And if I find those consecutive 2s, I'll return true. Like yesterday, I do not want to say else return false. I want to make sure I've gone across the entire array before I give up. We don't give up and say false until we've had every pair of consecutive values checked to see if we could find 2s. Okay.